Okra Unveiled is a captivating documentary that dives deep into the world of okra, a vegetable that is cherished by cultures across the globe. Journey to the African continent, where okra is believed to have originated. Trace the path of okra as it spread through trade routes, reaching the Americas, Asia, and Europe. Explore the linguistic diversity in the name okra across different languages and cultures. Dive into the botanical aspects of the okra plant. Examine the growth cycle, unique shape, and distinctive features of the okra pod. Explore the numerous ways okra is used in cuisines worldwide, from gumbo in the southern United States to bhindi masala in India. Meet chefs, home cooks, and food historians who share their favorite okra recipes and cooking tips. Discover the versatility of okra, whether fried, stewed, pickled, or used as a thickening agent. Explore its role in traditional medicine and alternative health practices. Investigate the cultural significance of okra in festivals, rituals, and traditions. Highlight the use of okra in art, literature, and folklore. Share personal stories and family traditions related to okra. Explore ongoing research and innovations in okra cultivation. Discuss the potential of okra as a sustainable and resilient crop in a changing climate. Conclude with a glimpse into the future of okra in our kitchens, diets, and cultural traditions. Okra Unveiled is a captivating journey that celebrates the green pod's rich history, cultural significance, and culinary allure. Join us in discovering the secrets of okra, from its African roots to its global impact on our plates and cultures. Get ready to develop a newfound appreciation for this versatile and delicious vegetable.